Big up on yourself. Yeah, man, Jamaica with it. Breadfruit, man. Yeah, man. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah, man, I cook and inspire back in the place again. I'm in the kitchen. Then the outdoor kitchen in Jamaica. Yeah, man, Jamaica style, you get them? Yeah, man. And you see in the background, and a Rico blade. And what is that? Roti, Garfield. Yeah, man, I want to link up with them, man. I 3 brothers them. See them there? Yeah, man, it's a bigger brother. Yeah, man, a big chef too. Yeah, man. The smaller brother this, you know.
Nice spot on the roast breadfruit, you know.
And we want to go over there now. So today what am I doing now? Outdoor what am I do? Some fried sprat, see them, man? I'm going to do cooking today. You get me? I'm going to leave. And then I do like cooking. So I have some sprat that I'm going to fry. You know, normally in Jamaica, you can't fry the sprat them on the stove indoors. So I do it outside. So all of you know about the outside cooking. You want to eat this, see there? Stove just light up. But before, then go down and fry the sprat. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You know, Jamaica with there. And we have chicken over there, so lay. Yeah, man, we have chicken over there, so in the backyard. You see what I say? And them life we live over there in Jamaica. See what I say? How over here, so come here, lazy man. Come over here.
I'm not too lazy.
Yeah, man, this is look on this. Yeah, man, lazy and. We are lazy and. You tell people me, I say. You don't say nothing. Tell people me, I say. I cook and inspire. Cook and inspire.
Yeah.
I would have to say, Kashi. Kashi run, man. Kashi shy. Yeah, man, so. When I fry this spot, I will see what I go on. Maybe I don't see me back to the end. Because right now I'm tired and I want some rest. So, here what? Take it over. Rico blade. And Roti Garfield. Take it over.
People, you know, with the outside, as well, head chefs there. Cook and inspire. You know, we have some sprat, you know, where them catch fresh from the sea. You know, either we go to the seaside, go buy it, or, you know, you have people that pass in the community and sell them. So we just get some from them. We clean them up again with some lime, fresh, and water, which will be the black pepper and a little bit of salt. That's all you need, and a bit of hot pepper inside there. So, you know, all we do now with the sprinkle with black pepper right, just to give him a little flavor and thing. And then, you know, we catch a fire, as you see over here, fire. Brother, try to get the fire going. You know, the wood them kind of wet from the hard when they just fall and things. So, once the fire get going, we put on the pot and I have hot with us throw in the spot and fry. Crispy and dry. One bite, done. Out and over and out.
So, one bite sprat.
One bite done. Yes, as what Chef Garnet say, you know, cook and inspire. We're there in Jamaica, backyard, as what them say. You know, in the backyard there you have everything where you can think of. We have lime over here, so fresh lime. Yeah? And over this side we have a sweet sap, not upon the tree right now, you know. I think the season finished. But we have the sweet sap tree, and further down the back we have the banana tree. You know, we have the breadfruit tree, as you can see, look, you know the tree, breadfruit. One tree, when you're there in England or abroad, you have to pay like double the price, £8–9 pounds. Sometimes even £12 for one breadfruit or half a breadfruit. So we have it fresh from the tree. And over here, so we have the apple tree, red apple. Nothing on the tree right now, but you have the red apple. Yeah? And right over here, so this is the pomegranate. Yeah, this is the pomegranate. Them say, you know, this is in the Bible days, pomegranate, you know, you eat these things and stuff. And even around the front yard, we have the cherry tree, red cherry. Nice and refreshing, you know, you blend it up and make juice with a bit of ginger. And even you add your June plum in it and you make your juices, fresh juice. Eat there, fire, you know? Please, don't put no more cardboard on you. Don't play cardboard, I get it on fire. Man, you know, man, you tell about it. I jump with fire, man, you have to put up something for that weekend. You just fall on the cold now, you know. Nice, girl. Boy, the fire is up, and if you come out of the fire, I can't make up. Yeah, actually we are doing some fresh spot right now at the moment, yeah? I will add already on the fire, so here we go now. You have to do like that to the fire, burn up your ring again to people. Okay. Okay. You know that you burn up, you cannot do a cup like that one time.
By them here. By them here. I'm going to back in the pot.
Okay, okay.
Right, I have to get this fire going and let this fire well hot for a certain amount of degree. As this spot get real crispy. Real nice, you know?
Sabon yung cooking sa man.
Yeah, man.
A good man. You ever eat the pepper with the, you ever eat the one with the pepper and lime side?
You gotta get the one that still.
You excuse me.
It's dark like parrot, you gotta get them pieces. You gotta get the one that is. And today, you want that.
You already my one. Yes, I stick with you.
Man, I'll prop you know. Let's get the oil in the pot. Rice and onion and pepper. Yeah, boy, extra big. First pot extra big. Chef Rico, the original. As he's saying, he's doing the sprat. You know, the sprat it won't take long to fry because they're small. It's like herring, isn't it? And say 5 minutes or so, depending on the temperature. You know, if you oil. They're so small, a couple of minutes start to fry. Quick. So I'm preparing the onion. I saute the onion in the hot oil with a bit of Scotch bonnet pepper. So when you finish frying the fish, you just saute it in the oil and just pour it over the fish to give it a nice taste, you know. So join us at the end to see the finished product. Away with them strips, go with the fish. With the onion and the pepper, it's cabbage style. The vinegar and the fish after we finish frying the fish. Yeah, you know, I'm not so skilled with the knife as all the other chefs. People say I'm a perfectionist. I try to cut each ring the same size, same thickness. So I take my time. You know, I just say Rico blade just cut up the carrot to saute it in the oil with a bit of vinegar. You know, to put over the fish. I'm doing the onion. The teamwork make the dream work. Now remember that child growing up in the Caribbean here. We never know about gas stove and all these things. We know about the wood fire, coal stove. We just get some wood and until they have the kerosene oil stove, until they upgrade to gas stove. You know. Yes, people. Boy. You know, we're there, boy. It's like so much things going on the little fire here. We're trying to do your sprat and way. But we end up with all of 40 pounds of sprat that you're not going to be in a Rico. You're not going to go to the beach. Yeah, man, we end up with all breadfruit. You know, we had 2 breadfruit that we roast and put down inside there. So we decided, we're going to peel them and we're going to fry them. You know, we can have them with the sprat or whatever we desire. You know, roast breadfruit and you fry it, it's so nice. You know, that's the way to go. Roast breadfruit. So you see the thing when you have it all at your disposal, you can just pick it from the tree to the pot to the belly. Yeah?
So I'm going to wear some.
I'm going to wear some.
Fried fish, you can.
Sprat boy, them dry and crispy.
Yo, a chef gone eating up in the kitchen, me I eat.
You're not performing?
No, I'm not performing today. No, I eat a one fish. A one sprat, you know? Yeah, man, it's Dennis there. Foundation, you them in the Gregor Park, you know? Yeah, man. I don't get many fish like that, you know.
Sure. Them little fine fish.
All
that
sprat.
they-
And they got
salmon
sprat.
and everything that you-
Herring. No, herring. Go.
One.
You buy the digger? Okay. I'm going to go.
No buna in that.
No, it is.
Go on, one.
One.
So what you want in there?
No, no,
Yeah, let's a little bit herring. No, and 2 hours.
No, man, it would good. Good like that, you know. Good.
Yeah, man, Rico be there, put on the onion and carrot and pepper, you know. Saute it and throw it in it. Need a little bit of vinegar. And there I dice up the breadfruit to just sprinkle some salt on it and fry it.
Saute, vinegar and whatever. And onion and carrot and, you know, hot pepper. After frying all these sprat, you have to eat like that and get a real good flavor. Real good fish flavor, you know, with the vinegar and all those things, you know. So people like that to do. Original style. Yeah man, you have a original style to make you get a special flavor, you know. So we're doing it.
Yo, the place hot. Jamaica still, but nevertheless, fly enough, but you soon buy too. Yeah, man. So here we have it now. You know, Roti, Garfield, and Rico blade. Yeah, man. They chef up a thing, you know. Go ahead. Fried sprat, roast breadfruit. Yeah, man. You can see, spread it out to a breadfruit leaf. Yeah. And we don't have nothing. you know, things that are really Jamaican style.
Yeah, man. You can wash it down with a cool sorrel beer.
Yeah, man. So I eat that, you know.
Let's say it differently.
Yeah, man, if the breadfruit is nice, you know. Now watch out.
Yeah, man, and crispy, man.
2 breadfruit this and I'm alone I eat all of them. And 1 tray of fish. So me I say, so who want? Yeah, man, just email me. Don't forget to check out the video now. Cook and inspire. Yeah, man. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe as well. And the loyal supporters and fan them. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man, Jamaica with you. Soon in the next 4 weeks time. We're back in England. Yeah, man, so until next time, in and out the backyard. So me I say?
Yeah, man, we top it off then I chef with something crispy too. I mean.
Cheers, yeah, man. Ching.
Really good, man.
Yeah, man, the breadfruit is good, no?
We plant you. Oh, you plant, man.